This young man spent tens of thousands on a Middle Eastern Land Cruiser. He thought he'd found a great treasure. Turns out the entire car was severely corroded. Many bolts had already rusted through and snapped. All we could do was drive it back to the shop first. Then, for this Gen Z owner, we prepared a restoration plan within his budget. Start with a simple wash. That door that fell off, don't forget to bring it back. My buddy thought it was a Japanese-style fix. Just kidding. Let the main feature begin. A frog. A cockroach from Yunnan. Clean it thoroughly before stripping the exterior paint. Next, many critical exterior bolts are completely rotten. All glass removed. Its smoking is making fire with wood actually real? Body off frame separation. The chassis rails are covered in rust and mud. Dismantling the chassis. Lifting out the engine. The engine will be handled separately. Mud everywhere. Next, detaching the engine from the transmission. Stripping all chassis accessories. Protecting the wiring harness connectors. Heading to the detailing bay. Cleaning the chassis. so much mud. After this wash, fuel consumption should drop by a liter. This kind of rust won't just wash off. Master Gao said, "Let me handle this." Disassembling chassis components, preparing everything for sandblasting and rust removal. Land. Getting dark. My brother said I'm too arrogant. Chasing dreams. Wake up. Fell asleep so fast. Entering the sandblasting workshop. Complete sandblasting for rust removal. Rust removal complete. Applying primer and anti-rust treatment. Chassis refurbishment complete. Reassembling the chassis. On the other hand, the engine is being handled separately. Immersive engine preparation. Comprehensive carbon deposit cleaning. All parts have arrived, starting to replace the components. With you by my side. The removed parts undergo ultrasonic cleaning. Assembling the engine. Finishing the engine. Starting exterior preparation. Sanding down the paint first. Look how thick this body filler is. It's all rusted through. This area is completely rotten. Let's get to work. Continuing with detailed sanding. Masking it off. Preparing for paint. Using a full set of glazurate water-based paints. Base coat first, followed by clear coat. Constant temperature baking. Undercarriage and bodywork repair. Cleaning the undercarriage. Applying rustproofing and undercoating. Reuniting the body and the chassis. After this, there won't be another update for a while. Changing all fluids and oils. Reinstalling the windshield after assembly. Installing critical components. Washing and polishing. Ignition test ready for action. Test driving to ensure everything is perfect. No room for error. Moving on to the interior restoration. Interior getting cleaner. A new look for the interior. Preparing for restoration and repair. Reupholstering the seats. Rewrapping the headliner. Refurbishing plastic parts with paint. After more than a month of preparation, this car undergoes its final road test. The storm has passed. The vehicle has been reborn. Are you satisfied with this result? A special gift from Shunyi, Beijing, for the owner. What do you think of this special touch?